I think village life is good because if you know there is so much pollution in cities and however there are so many electric cars that reduce the pollution, but there are so many crimes and accidents takes places. So I think villages is good, and there is a very beautiful view of environment, nature environment.
Pratik, what do you support?
I am also the favor of city,
Okay.
because city life is better than village life, because high educations, big hospitals, and there are many multinational companies also. And for entertainment purpose, there is cinema, beautiful gardens, and also malls, big malls are there. And in villages we cannot get these facilities in village. And there are in city also a big opportunity of jobs. Many people come from village to many people come from village to get job in companies.
Many people come from village to get job in
Company.
city.
In city companies. And there is in village there is a lack of electricity, and there are many muddy roads. But in city there is a well maintained roads. We can ride easily any vehicle, bike, cars, bicycle that you want. And many students come from a village to achieve their dreams. And he also want that we become
They also want.
they also want we become IAS, IPS, because village there in village is not available coachings for
In village there is no coaching
available in village for IAS, IPS coachings. But in cities they are available.
There are number of coaching classes.
There are number of coaching classes.
It is the reality that if you want to prepare for any competitive exam, you have to go to a big city, because in village there is no good quality of education. And you said that there is no good teachers. So in village, yeah, it is the right thing that in village, in many I have also seen that in village teachers are not very educated, not well educated, and they don't teach the students. They just go there for the only for the formalities. And sometimes they go even they don't even go. They only go for their sign. After sign they come back to their home. So this is the reality. This is the main drawback of
As Pratik Bhaiya said that bhajan kirtan is also happen in cities, but it does not mean that there is big temples. It does not mean that that they will do bhajan kirtan, because if you know that cities people are very busy in a job and their work. So I think they don't bhajan kirtan and other things like bhandara and this. So I want to say this, this can only happen in village, because village life is tradition, full of tradition and cultures. So I think that's all.
So you want to say that the people in the city are very busy and they do not participate. Most of the people do not participate in bhajan kirtan because they are busy with their schedule. But in village, most of the people take part in bhajan and kirtans, and at night they participate in bhajan and kirtan. You want to say?
Sir, in village, however, government provide government schools and medicals, but it is not good for our health and for our education, because in schools no good teachers, and there is no good teacher, and in hospitals there is no good nurse and doctors. So all village pupils come from all village people come for city for their education and medical.
and treatment.
Yes.
We can see that in village hospitals, many doctors said you want to go to a city,
You have to go to city.
you have to go to a city
For the better
for the patient's treatment. But we know that city is very far. City is far from the village. That patients cannot survive for 3 and 4 hours. Patients will die in way of the city,
on the
way of city, and this is a wrong point that village hospitals treatment well.
Okay. For the better treatment, for the serious injury, they have to go to the
City.
city. Okay. So there is no treatment available in place for the serious injury. Okay. You are right. So how would you get this point?
Sir, I think
Okay. Another point. Give your point. You will speak in favor of village.
okay, so I want to say that with villages very weight is happening because cities is destroying the villages because for their shelf, for their means, they are destroying villages and jungles where poor peoples and villages peoples cut the trees and they can only earn enough money to live and meaning of China, what is snatch, and cities people are snatching the villages money because they are cutting the all trees and jungles where villages people pluck the flowers and fruits and after that they bought them, purchase them. So this is very bad and this is also bad for our human life and all living organism life because as you know that how much pollution is increasing. So a tree, if you study about science, then you know that trees absorb the pollution and carbon dioxide. This is very harmful gases for human life and all living organisms.
Sir, his third point. His third point is all city pupils come to village and pluck flowers and fruits. So sir, village pupils also to pluck flowers and fruits and sell in the city market. Yes, sir.
So, do you want to say something?
I don't want to say anything because she is wrong because I didn't say this. I said that means villages people pluck and break the fruits and flowers. That is for their life. That is for their survival life. Because if they don't pluck the fruits, then how will they purchase?
How will they earn money?
How will they earn money? And how will they alive? How will they survive their life? So I want to say this, and she said that.
Okay. So they pluck flowers, fruits only. They don't cut trees. So cutting
This is wrong. The villagers are also cut trees. I say from my personal experience, villagers also cut a tree and
why do they cut tree?
for the money.
For the money.
Yes, for my personal experience, they cut tree and sell in market, city market.